We need to simplify this expression into positive exponents. So here are all the different kinds of rules. We've got the product rule, the power rule, the quotient rule, the negative exponent rule, and the zero exponent rule. And so we may have to choose which to use. And so as of right now, for this area right here, I'm going to use the power rule. So in other words, I've got to take the 4 and I'm going to multiply it to the exponent of each of these. Okay, so basically what I did was I took negative 4 to the 4th power. Then I took 4 times 7, which is 28. So that's where we get r to the 28. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, and that's where we get s to the negative 4. Now in the denominator, I'm going to put my numbers together and my variables together. So I'm going to continue to simplify here in the denominator here. So I'm going to be using the product rule for the r and the s. Now, in order to help use the quotient rules so that we don't mess it up, we can put the numerator and denominator of the numbers and the r's and the s together. That way we can see it more clearly as to what we use the quotient rule for. So on the 256 over 96, I would need to simplify that, and it becomes 8 over 3. The rest of these, I'm going to go ahead and use the quotient rules, which means that I've got to subtract the exponents. And so now we have all positive exponents here. And so our final answer will be 8r to the 26th power times s cubed over 3.